Hello, students. Today we are going to see uh, a topic which is known as uses of computer networks. So, this is chapter 10 Introductions to Computer Network. Okay. So, in the previous class, we have seen about the internet uh, expansion. Okay. So, international network is reduced to internet, and we have seen the disadvantages of internet, growth of computer networking. So, and even you can see that we have seen the applications, some of the smallest application, and the growth, immense amount of growth as 1G, 2G, like this. Okay. So 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G. So, and how this artificial intelligence is playing a vital role in the network traffic prediction, everything we have seen in the last class. So, today we are going to see uses of computer networks. The computer networks plays a major role in providing information to large small organization as well as common peoples. uh, Nowadays almost all companies, banks and stores have implemented the computerized transaction. It may be in the same campus building, city, or at different places or state, city. For all these purpose, the computer networks are used. So nowadays all the transactions are digitized by using computers. Okay. So even you can see that a small scale industry is also using computers to manage their data. So like this, the common use of computer networks. So the common use of computer networks are communication, resource sharing, data and software sharing, money saving. So these are all the smallest applications of computer network. So in that, first of all, we are going to see this communication. So using computer network, we can interact with the different peoples, with each other all over the world. So it provides a powerful communication among widely separated employees, team sections, etc. They can easily communicate at a very low cost via mobile, social media, telephone, email, chatting, video conferencing, SMS, MMS, etc. Okay. So nowadays you can see that due to lockdown, most of the peoples are staying at home, working at home. So you can see that this internet is providing communication to all this people, those who are staying at home and working at home. uh, and this communication is done by using this internet. Next is resource sharing. Resource sharing means when one device is accessed by many systems, it allows all kind of programming equipments and available data to be accessed by anyone by network, irrespective of the physical location of the resource. Simply, resources sharing is sharing such as printer, scanner, PDA. PDA means personal data assistant or personal digital assistants. Uh, and you can see that fax machine, modem. For example, many computers can access one printer if it is in network. And here you can see that by using this uh, resource sharing, you can share any kind of data through the internet. Say for example, Facebook and Instagram, we are sharing our photos, videos, any kind of messages. Okay. So this kind of sharing can be done between software also. So if a person buys a software, and then the software can be shared among the network by using this resource sharing. Next is software data sharing. So this is a use of network. Okay, using computer network and application or other software can be stored at a centralized computer or a server. This software can be shared among other computers of the network. It provides high reliability and backup, and can also be stored at any location for easy availability in case of crash. So you can see that most of the softwares, large scale softwares, like say for example hospital management system. So this hospital management system will be available throughout the entire network in the hospital. So if a patient is entering into the hospital, from there to up to his discharge or bill payment, everything, you can see that every person will be looking at a data through a computer. So this is known as data sharing. So even doctors, nurses, and the accounts person and the pharmacy person can able to see the data of a patient. So this is data sharing. This is possible through network. So next is money saving. Computer network is also money saving as it reduces paperwork, manpower, resource sharing, software sharing, and also time saving. So if you are using money network, in your computer networks, then you can see that uh, it reduces cost of running the company. Okay, so uh, if you are using a meeting in real time, then you need a separate room for it, and all the furnitures cost everything. Okay, so if you are organizing a meeting in a virtual way, then it will be very less cost efficient. Okay, less cost expenses. Okay, so next is networks in business. So how networks are used in business. So business is a operation. So where you can see that network is being used everywhere. Okay, so in 20th century, in the 21st century, communication is very important factor for successful business operation. Thereby, with the growth of computer networks and the speedy internet services, business also developed drastically. So in the 21st century, the computer networks are building in a speedy way. Okay, so this also helps in business operations. With the development of computer cloud computing, global access and the security issues were restricted. Internet internet uh, internet conversation must be made conversation faster, quick decision making, and money saving. E-bank saving way for easy transaction, and business, large scale and small scale business, B2C. B2C means business to customer. B2B means business to business. B2G means business to government, customer to business, customer to customer, customer to government, government to business, government to customer, and government to government. So all this transaction is made easy by internet, and you can see that companies renewal license and other certification, bill payment, invoice, stock maintenance, everything can be done by using this computer network. So direct human interactions are reduced because of this internet. Buyers directly purchase any product from manufacturer with less cost. Middle person or brokerage charges are reduced. The network connectivity is in business is shown in figure 10.5. So 10.5 is available in the next page. We'll see that. So this is how this computer networks provide a uh, data sharing and communication in business. Okay, so the headquarters it will be somewhere, uh, and the distributed cache and hosting cache all will be in a separate location. All these three things branch offices, okay, branch office, head office is being connected by using this internet, so that all the data will be present to all the locations. So network at home. So how we use network at our home. So nowadays network has become common as it facilitates communication among devices uh, within the close vicinity at home. Devices in the network can be smart devices, mobile computers, uh, network printers, such as which has capability of interacting by thereby increases the quality of life inside the home. Is a is a variety of way like automation of repetitive task repetitive task. Okay, increasing personal productivity, enhancing home security, and easy access to entertainment. Network at home were connected in two ways. There are wired network and wireless network. So in our day-to-day life also you can see that in our home we are now using this network. Okay, so when you are sharing your internet with your parents, or parents share their internet uh, through hotspot. Okay, so they are trying to create a internet hotspot inside the home so that they can share the internet with the others. So there are two types of sharing through network in at home. One is wired network and wireless network. So not only home, this wired network and wireless network can be used anywhere where there is network. So here you can see that in the next yes, this is the diagram for wired network and wireless network. So you can see that computers are being connected with wire. Okay, in the next picture you can see that Wi-Fi modem or Wi-Fi router is being accessed by the computers. So network at home helps us to perform e-banking, e-learning, e-governance, e-health, telemedicine, call center, video conferencing, digitization of memories, etc. Okay, all the data has been digitized and stored in a uh, hard disk or in a separate memory location. Okay, so this can be accessed anywhere in the house. Okay, even you can see that security data like CCTV, um, everything can be stored in the home network itself. Okay, so next topic is mobile networks. So mobile network is a network connected device without cable of mobile computers, okay, such as laptops, tablets, and handheld computers, were fastest growing segment. At the Atlant area, networks are distributed as cells. Each will be serving as a single location transceiver. So transceiver means it will transmit data and as well as receive data at the same time. But generally, three cell sites are base station, base transceiver station. So this base station provides the cell with network coverage and other features that can be utilized for transmission of voice data and other content as well. Joining together all radio coverage is called wide geographical area. So all the cell can be interconnected with the tower, okay, so that the mobile devices will connect to this tower and share the voice data or internet data. Any kind of data can be shared by using this cell tower, okay. So the portable the portable transceiver used to communicate with one or more on another with a fixed transceiver and moving by more than one cell during transmission. For example, mobile tablet, pager, laptop engage with mobile broadband, just like modem, etc. Okay, so here you can see that mobile networks. Okay, so mobile networks uses this um, cell towers to provide services uh, to the user. Okay, so this has been explained clearly in this diagram. So here you can see that uh, uh, different type of users are connecting to the internet service provider. So internet service provider is nothing but the mobile internet service provider such as BSNL, Geo, Vodafone, etc. like that. Next is features of mobile networks. Okay, so next part is features of mobile networks. So less consumption of power is used by the mobile devices compared to single transmission transmitter and or satellite such as cell tower or closer. So when you're using this mobile network, the transmission cost, okay, the power cost of transmitting data will be very less compared to satellite um, transmission. Next is a huge capacity, then a large transmission at a single frequency can be used for uh, different and many link as long as they are in different cell. So when you are in particular cell network, it will be using a separate frequency, okay. So when you are moving on to the next cell, so it will be changing into that next frequency. So this will keep on going so that you can be able to manage different type of cell network in uh, different frequencies, okay. So mobile phone converts voice and text multimedia messages or data calls into radio frequency. So everything, so this mobile that we use will convert all the data like voice message, WhatsApp message, internet, everything will be converted into radio frequency, which is RF. So this RF will be transmitted to the nearby cell network. So the cell network will take you to the internet service provider, and the internet service provider distributes the data to uh, others who it needs. Okay. So next is social application. So here you can see that social application. So the internet is being used in social applications such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, blog, Pinterest, Classmate. So that so many applications like social media can be using this internet to share data. So here you can see that uh, membership. So membership of a bank account and membership of a club account can be accessed by using this internet. Okay. So here you can see that con- content contribution, frequent return visit, and human relationship building is done by using this social applications. So the computer network is used in social media. Okay, so this kind of social medias are now being used widely by the uh, peoples. Next is benefits of social networks. So the people and relax and in the social network leads to some extremely useful benefits for individual and as well as communities. So here you can see that group information shared even over long distance. Okay, so your relative may be in America, but you are here, but you can make a call or a voice call or video call just by using this internet. So distance is not uh, a factor that affects the communication. So broadcast announcement. Okay, so now you can see that a cricket match is happening in Delhi, but you can see that cricket match here in this uh, Chennai. Okay, so this is done by using this broadcast announcement, and you can see that uh, this is done by using this computer networks. Next is fostering diversity of thoughts. So some of the critics of social networks says that online communities attracts people by similar interest and background. Indeed, when the peoples with different opinions do get together on online, many discussions seem to be degenerated into personal attacks. So and so-called fame wars. Fame wars. The argument goes online. Healthy debates takes place, and some of them become viral. Also, such arguments are taking talks brings out a relaxation of our busy people from this regular work schedule. It is also enriching with current affairs and keep in touch with the people. So not only communication. So you can see that arguments. Nowadays you can see that in so many news channels, arguments are being conducted to debate on particular topic. Okay, so this can also be done by using this internet. So all these things are possible by using this internet. So if you are using this internet, it would be very easy to uh, run anything. Okay, it will be automating all the process so that it will even be cost efficient in your business. Okay, so with this we'll finish the class today. We'll see the uh, We'll see a new chapter in the next class. Thank you, students.